Alright, we are going to install a Denali Soundbomb horn on my 1300. Here is the stock horn with chrome cover on it. I'll give it a little beep beep for reference. And then I will install this Denali Soundbomb and we'll get a new reference point. Alright, after a good bit of grief, mostly on my part of my tools not working when I was trying to fabricate my bracket, it is now dark as heck outside. But anyway, got it installed, got it wired up. Now let's hear what it sounds like. Alright. And it doesn't make a noise. That is fantastic. Okay, now that I figured out that I forgot to put a fuse in the relay, let's try this one more time. Yeah, I'd say that's plenty loud.